Atlantica Callisto in Napa. I've noticed that there's quite a few videos of this place, nothing fairly recent. I'm going to do some videos of the resort, just various bits and bobs that I've not been able to find on YouTube. So I'm going to start off with a room tour of our room. We're staying in room 4911, and I'll show you what it's like. Gorgeous day here, it's about 40 odd, very late 30s. We're on the upper level and we are room number 4911. So when you come in, be careful, even the door gets hot and the handle gets hot, everything's super hot. So you come in, you drop your little key in there, that powers up the electric, that turns on all your lights and stuff. The aircon works regardless of that, and the fridge works regardless of that as well. So we're staying in a one bedroom apartment. The lights are off at the minute. Might turn a few on. Well, that is them on. So anyway, the bathroom. So you've got a reasonable sized sink. We've only arrived a day ago, so we've unpacked a little bit, but not most of the stuff. Toilet, no bidet, obviously. Toilet paper goes into the bin as it's grease. We have a decent sized shower. Just the one shower head. We've not had a shower yet. We literally got in at 2 o'clock this morning and we're on our first day. Decent sized mirror. As you can see, plenty of towels. Entrance to the shower is in the back there. A bit of a towel rail going on there as well. Plenty of space in there. It's one of those mixer tap type things by the looks of it. We'll be able to see what fun there is later on with that. Now the one bedroom, this is you come in the door and then on the right hand side you have the bed. So decent sized bed, we slept in it last night. The pillows are absolutely beautiful. They're like hotel quality cushions. Really, really comfortable. The bed was really soft and comfortable as well. This is one of the rooms that's been refurbished recently. So you've got plenty of sockets, a couple of sockets there down the side of the bed. You've got another socket over there at the side of the bed, which is really good. I'm going to even turn the light on here, just so we can see a little bit better. Little stand there for, hang on a minute. Little stand there for your suitcase. Big old wardrobe. Pretty good. Again, hardly anything unpacked. A few bits and bobs here. Now you've got a safe in the bottom corner. There's a key on that when you first come in. So simply put your stuff in, take your key away with you, and away you go. So again, still plenty of stuff to go in there yet. Bit of storage down there. A little drawer in the bottom as well. That's pretty useful. There were about 10 hangers in here as well. We brought a load of hangers of our own, but there's about 10 hangers in there that are already supplied, which is very handy if you've forgotten any. Big old window there. The bed's probably about a queen size bed. Certainly a good king size. You've got a little area there. Nice mirror, a couple of lights there for the ladies who do the makeup. Decent size, again, plenty of plug sockets, and there's a hairdryer as well. Up there we've got air conditioning unit in the bedroom. That's set to 20 degrees, which is, believe me, much colder than what it is at the minute outside. And then through here we have just windows, just showing the pool and whatnot outside. I'll not open that just yet. So walking through. So this is your main living area. We have a wardrobe off to the right hand side. We have a big TV there. probably a good 50-inch TV. What looks like a sofa bed there, coffee table, bed made up, single bed that we're using at the minute, and a little table and 2 chairs. And then I would say a little dinette area. We've basically got a sink. We have a sink there, a couple of cupboards under there, there's nothing in, empty, you can use them for storage. Same over here. And then at the end you have a little fridge, but just be aware with this fridge, not a lot of space. So we've had to take the shelf out to put some drinks in there. Obviously it's an all-inclusive resort anyway, but there's no ice box, as you'll notice, which is a bit of a pain because you like to keep your drinks cool. But we'll just have to cope the best we can. So there is a socket at the back there. Don't be afraid if it's not turned on. There's a couple of sockets higher up which power those anyway. And the one on the left is the one that currently powers the fridge. Obviously a little kettle there, teas and coffees, a couple of mugs, that kind of thing. Up there we've got a big shelf. Again, that's all going to be stored and tidied up as we go along. Useful sink there. There's no self-catering facilities at all, apart from the kettle. So again, we've got telephone socket, internet socket there. There's a little USB by the looks of it. The Wi-Fi in here is really, really good. It's free also, just like the Safe Key. So the Wi-Fi, they just give you a code at reception when you log in, and we've used it for the last couple of hours and it works perfectly fine. Over this little bed here, again, loads of sockets. We've actually got a 4-gang English plug socket just to plug our various chargers in. But as you can see with that one, it's all English plug heads, 3 pins. Another socket down there, which is handy. A little uplighter there. So it's a fairly basic room, but as you can see, it's fairly big. Big old TV in the corner. Second air conditioning unit. Again, in the lounge area, it's really, really cold when you come in. It's really noticeable and you really, really need it, to be fair. Over here, we've got another wardrobe. Again, plenty of storage space up there for cases, spare pillow, more hangers. Again, we haven't put anything into it. There's nothing in the one on the side there. But that, again, is going to get used to its maximum. And then, one of the best parts about this is we asked for, obviously we've got a 1-bedroom room, so it's got a separate room rather than a studio. We've got a nice upstairs balcony which we've asked for and they've provided us with, and to be perfectly honest, they've given us a really, really good room. Balcony, 2 chairs, 3 chairs and a table. There's no shade at the top of it, so just be aware, we're currently in shade at the minute. As you can see, we've got the sea, which is literally there. We've already been in there this morning. It's lovely, it's really warm. It starts to cool down about 50 metres out. And then balcony here, we actually asked for a pool view. So we've got a pool view. A fantastic pool view. An amazing pool view of the main pool. 3 pools up there, snack bars over there, little kids pool over there as well. But we've also managed to get the sea view as well, so absolutely wonderful. Then over at the back there you've got the eating areas as well. So hopefully this will help a few people out with choosing what to pick. I think most of the rooms are 1-bedroom apartments. I think some are studios. Some might be bigger, I'm not sure. And there are some rooms which have got private pools just over the back where the snack bar is, over to the back there, up near the tennis court and kids play area. But I'll pick them up in another video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Cheers.